Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. I am tired, I am hot, and I am, well, just plain giddy. Because, well, for one, I spent the morning with my girlfriend sewing dresses. And for two, when I got home, my giveaway had come. And yes, I won a bukudu of makeup. It's awesome. I love a good giveaway. But today we are going to talk about Rocksbox. Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription. You pay $21 and you get to rent 3 pieces of jewelry for however long you want. You can wear them once and send them right back and get another box, or you can keep them for the full month. So the $21 is for a month, not for the box. So if you get more than one in a month, you only have to pay that $21. And if you see something you absolutely love, you can buy it. That $21 is credited to you in that purchase. The $21 does not roll over to the next month if you don't use it. It comes in the mailer, which you can reuse, and then this box, which by the way is reusable, recyclable, all the good stuff, and cute. Look at it, it's pretty. They do recommend that you, if you have to clean your jewelry for any reason, that you use the bags that they are wrapped in to clean them. They give you a little card that tells you how to clean for it, you know, tell you to avoid water, all that good stuff. They call you gorgeous. I like that. On the inside, it tells you what you got, how much it costs, and if you have any credit. Which, yeah, I do have some forever credit because somebody used my link. I really appreciate that. And by the way, if you want to try using Rocksbox, use my link below and you'll get your first month's free. So yeah, nothing to lose. You get a free box. You get to try those 3 pieces, send them back. If you don't like it, cancel the subscription. You're done. I do appreciate it. Like I said, it does give me $25 worth of credit. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I gotta see what's in here because I don't even know. Sometimes I have like a little bit of a clue, but this time I do not. I don't remember. And they do put, you know, your return labels already in here. So yeah, you drop it off, you go online, you check out, you know, if you want to buy something, take it to the post office, send it back. This says Rudiment. Oops. And this is the bag that you use to clean the jewelry, right? Just wipe it off. But it is sanitized before it gets to you, so you do not have to worry about, you know, ickiness. Okay, is this a stack ring? Yes, Rudiment Cavallo Ring Set in sapphire and crystal. Okay. Oh. They were in separate baggies. This baggie was folded up with this in there, and then it was in the other baggie. So y'all, they don't even touch. I mean, that's how lovingly and delicately packaged all this stuff is. Oh my goodness, they're gonna touch right now, y'all. Look at these. This is gorgeous. And you know what I like about them? You don't have to stack them if you don't wanna. You could wear just one, or you could put one on each finger. Look at them, they're so beautiful. I hope it's focusing. Oh, just gorgeous. Look at my little chubby fingers. So these are really cute. Of course, you can tell them if you do not want rings. You can tell them what size you have in your rings, so you can, you know, if you like to wear them on your middle finger, tell them the size for your middle finger. You know, same difference. The retail price for these is $75. My member price is $63. These are pretty. Sapphires. I don't think I've ever had a sapphire. So pretty. Love it. Love it, love it. What do you think? Samples. Okay, so sorry about the air conditioner. I love how they do their bags. Look, they got a little ball on the extenders on their necklaces. So all you'd have to do is open it up and hold that little ball and it comes right out. It never comes tangled. It's always perfect. And hang on, what am I looking at? Okay. You know it's easy to confuse me. They're trying to confuse me. This is the SLATE Delaney Necklace. It is layered and I'm trying to figure out, okay, I thought, here we go. It doesn't matter what size. You can see, you see the indents on both sides. Is it? Okay, yeah. There's stones right there. Hello. Here we go. Please be focused. Very cool. The retail price for this is $65 and the member price is $55. Now my problem is I get so much stuff I love and then I just want to keep it all and I'm like, no Gina, you can't keep it all. Gotta send some stuff back. My whole box, my last box, I wanted to keep all of it and so I sent it all back, which was hard for me, but I was a good girl and I sent it all back. So now I've got my $21 worth of credit and my $25 forever credit. And if I buy all 3 pieces, I'll get a $10 credit. So that would give me $180 worth of, for $117. Not that I will probably do that because, yeah, the whole point of this is rental and I have to keep reminding myself of that. Rental. Y'all, look at these. I didn't even show them to you. I just went to put them in my ears. Running my mouth. Flustered and all. Alright, you ready? Look at those. Are those not wild? These would look great with some of my boho outfits I have. Super cute. So there is a closer look at it. This does have that glittery effect looking to it, and these are, you know, stringed cloth, whatever you want to call it. Adorable earrings, great for an updo. I love these statement earrings when I have an updo, and since, yeah, I was sewing earlier today, I did an updo today. These are the WILDE Lima Drops in ECRU. Retail price is $40. My price would be $34. So that is my Rocksbox for this month. Tell me what y'all thought. What do you like? Would you keep any of it, or do you think I should just, you know, wear it for a while, send it back? Y'all, I really want to get in the habit of wearing a ring on this hand, but I'm so not used to having anything on it. It just feels so weird. How long does it take you to get used to a ring? Because this one's been on my finger for so long, I don't even remember. But yeah, these are really cute. And the fact that it's a set, like I said, and hang on, it's gotten stuck. The fact that it's a set and I could just wear a single, and maybe that might not bug me as bad since they are so small. I've got such small fingers. I mean, they look short and chunky to me, but really, in all honesty, they're kind of small. right, I have rambled enough. Please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have, if you want to see me again, press that subscribe button. Please share with your friends. I really love it when y'all share me on your social media. Tell your friends about me. Let's grow the community. At 500 we do a giveaway. And if you look hard enough, you might find another giveaway. So, yeah, I'm sneaky like that. What was I saying? Oh, and press the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.